The Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra have recently appeared on Geekbench, revealing improvements in both Exynos and Snapdragon versions. Previously, the Exynos 2400-powered Galaxy S24 Plus lagged behind the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Galaxy S24 Ultra in performance. However, the latest benchmarks show the Exynos model catching up, with the S24 Plus scoring 2193 in single-core and 6895 in multi-core tests, compared to the Snapdragon variant's 2297 single-core and 7104 multi-core scores. This improvement in the Exynos version is likely due to Samsung's optimization efforts. Globally, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, while the S24 and S24 Plus models may have different chipsets depending on the market. Recent rumors suggest that the Snapdragon version of the Galaxy S24 Plus might be launched more widely, possibly even in markets traditionally receiving Exynos models like India. This strategy shift could be great news for Samsung fans, especially given the historical performance differences between Exynos and Snapdragon chips. Regarding pricing, leaked details from a contest in France suggest that the Galaxy S24 series might have a starting price of €899 for the standard model and €1,169 for the S24 Plus. The S24 Ultra could be priced around €1,469, slightly higher than its predecessor. These prices align with other rumors, though actual costs may vary across different European countries. In the US, the estimated pricing for the Galaxy S24 starts at $750 for the 128GB model, $950 for the S24 Plus 256GB version, and $1,200 for the S24 Ultra 256GB variant. These are educated guesses based on current market trends and may change upon official release. The Galaxy S24 series features several upgrades. The standard S24 will have a 6.2-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display, a triple camera setup, and will be available with 8GB RAM and 128GB or 256GB storage options. It will run on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14. The S24 Plus will feature a larger 6.7-inch display, a robust 4,900 mAh battery, and increased storage options. The flagship S24 Ultra boasts a 6.8-inch display, a high-resolution camera setup, including a 200MP primary lens, and a large 5,000 mAh battery, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy S24 series brings significant enhancements in design, display brightness, hardware, and AI features. While these phones might not be a necessary upgrade for S23 Ultra owners, they are a solid choice for those with older models or considering their first Samsung's phone. As the launch approaches, more details are expected to emerge, offering a clearer picture of these eagerly awaited devices.